Good evening. It's my favorite time. I just got done reading the Farmer's Almanac for the rest of January's weather, so I decided I'm not going to do a weekly Farmer's Almanac because if you can imagine that I would just be on here doing Farmer's Almanac once a week, it would just turn into a channel about that. So I'm not going to do that. I might do it monthly. I plan to do it monthly. To me, it's fascinating. And I just got done reading that whole thing, and I'm going to upload that tonight. But before that, I want to check all the plants and close the tents. And I would like to do that with this camera right here in my hand, because this is the one that I don't have to transfer everything. I don't have to airdrop. I mean, they could change on a dime and look like shit in 2 seconds, but right now, at this very moment, they look good. And I took 2 clones off of this one off that. I don't even know, was I taking pictures or making a video earlier? Everything's all mixed in my head for what's been going on, so I may already have told you about the clones and showed them to you for all I know. Yeah, I think I did. All right, so we're just gonna check on them. And I worry about everything with them, bothering them too much or not paying enough attention. A lot of the cloning gel and Mycos. If it works, I'll have 2 more of these and 1 of that. So we'll check those out right now. Hi. Are you hungry? Still garbage day, I know. My neighbors are doing their garbage. They want you to wait till 4 p.m. or after to put your can out. I usually do it late at night or early in the morning. Lights are on till 1. So we established that yesterday. 1 to 7 off. Okay, I have a seedling pot in here. Nothing's coming up in it. Okay, a couple neglected ones. I'm gonna add water to that. And add to the humidifier. I put this on the end of the ducting. Of course, I don't know what I'm doing with that ducting except just filtering the air a little bit more with that and protecting it if anything's gonna fall through. I'm gonna do it on the other one too, where I've got charcoal bouncing around in the filter. Doesn't this look like a male? This one's in here for everyone's own protection. I took it out of flower. It had only been in flower for how long have we been there in flower? Look at the leaves, they're so interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves on this. Look how tightly together they are. Oh, they look like little wings. Look like a seabird or something, like a dirty bird. Safe in here with just the vegetable. The clones are in there. Just leaving them alone. And the seedling looks good. Maybe just to spray it. I'll spray that. It looks a little bigger. The leaves grew out a little bigger today. It's kind of sparse, but these are in veg, so that's okay. They can go crazy. They can do whatever they like. It's just veg. I lowered that light too. So here's the different levels of this tent. On the very bottom, got trays, things on the floor, trays, equipment and space for the equipment. So there's like areas here. And then up 1 level, I've got pots. All the pots and the stuff that I've got in here, whatever it might be for air or heat or cool. I did add a shelf, and in here is where I'd put a fan or a shelf, or both. Here I got a fan, shelf, and I would probably have a fan down here if I could be perfect. I would love to have 4 little fans, just mini ones, going up the side. It would be just nice to have that, but this is just, what we can do. When I spread everything out between 3 tents, I run low on certain things in certain tents, but they still all kind of survive. Like this one has a fan right next to that heater. Is the heater gonna melt that fan? Maybe. Kind of messy soil there that I haven't vacuumed yet. And then I've got the stuff, the equipment, the pots. And then all the space in the middle, just try to leave it empty for this kind of thing, all the growth and the stakes and your head and your body as you try to lean in. All the middle space should be dedicated to that. Is this tied down or not? What are we doing? Oh, it's just weak right in there. Weak. What are you doing? You are a weird plant. Weird. Looks nice in here, I suppose. Looks thirsty after only half a day, which is concerning because it means that it would be hard to leave home for a day or two. Oh, they keep me trapped here, huh? Last thing, look at clones. Oh, okay. That one fell to the side a touch. I mean, they look like they're fine today. I just don't know why it's all fogged up in there. Turn this camera off and do all those things I said I was going to do for everybody. It says it's 83 with 66 humidity. That's perfect for me. It's just fine. And I'm going to turn off all these lights. I knew I had to come down here again. I do this for the plants. Turn the room lights on for the green tent. And then whittle it down to what's on the timer and everything else is off.